Most traders lose money not because market is too hard, but because some avoidable mistakes. In this video, I will break down some common trading mistakes beginners make, explain why they are so dangerous, and show you how to avoid them. Stick around the end because just fixing couple of these could save you from blowing your accounts. Mistake number 1, trading without a plan. Most beginners open their system, see the chart, and enter without a plan, without knowing their entry, exit, or risk. That's not trading, that's gambling. How to avoid it? You should have written plan before placing a trade, and you should answer these 3 questions. Where do I enter? Where do I exit if I am wrong? And where do I take profit if I am right? Once it is written down, stick to it. Even following a random strategy online without testing is not a real plan. A real plan is the one you define, test, and follow consistently. Second mistake is overtrading. Beginners often take too many trades in a day thinking more trade means more profit. But in reality, more trade means more mistakes and bigger losses. For example, you take a losing trade, get frustrated and take 5 more trades to get that money back. And that's overtrading. How to avoid it? Set daily or weekly limit. For example, 2 to 3 quality trade in a day. If your risk limit hits, then stop trading. Remember, the market will be still there tomorrow. Mistake number 3, risking too much in a single trade. New traders often go all in or risk a huge amount of capital into a single trade thinking this trade make me rich. But one bad trade will wipe out your weeks or even months of progress. How to avoid it? Use proper position sizing. Risk maximum 1 to 2% of your capital per trade, not more than that. Then mistake number 4 is ignoring risk reward. Consider you are risking 2000 rupees to make 500, then even if you win multiple times, your one lose trade will wipe out your multiple wins. How to avoid it? At least try it for 1:2 risk reward. So even if don't win every trade, you will still be profitable. Mistake number 4, trading with emotions. Letting emotion control your trades. Fear and greed are the trader's biggest enemies. You buy because you are fear of missing out, and you hold the losing trade because you hope it will revert it back. How to avoid it? Always set a stop loss and let it do their job. And don't move your stop loss further because you feel the trade might turn up. Detach yourself from outcome of a single trade. Focus on the process, not the outcome or the result. A good exercise before entering into a trade, ask yourself, if this trade losses, will I still be okay? If the answer is yes, then go it with. If answer is no, then you are risking too much capital for that particular trade. Then mistake number 6, chasing the market. This happens when traders see there is major move in a stock. They always late to enter at the top of the stock. By then move is open over and they end up stuck. How to avoid it? Be patient. Wait for next trade setup. Remember, successful trader is about discipline, not speed. Trading is not about being right all the time. It's about managing your risk and avoiding these common traps. Now, I would love to hear from you. What is the biggest mistake you have made in trading? Share it in comments so we can all learn together. If you found this helpful, then hit like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.